So guys, the very first thing all you need to do is just copy that perfect pure black and orange mobile Lightroom DNG preset to your SD card or to your smartphone. Now I'm gonna install this preset to my Lightroom. So open the Lightroom application and just click on the plus icon on the bottom screen and click on the three dots on the right corner. Unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD cards, right? So here is the preset that is black and gold. Now I'm gonna install this preset to my Lightroom. So just click on the add button, so it will be added to my old photos. So let's wait for the moment. So here is the preset which has been added. So all you need to do is let's just copy this setting and just apply the preset to other photos. So just click on three dots on the right screen of the mobile top corner. Now select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's just try it on some other photographs. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. So guys, you can see the difference. It is giving a perfect black and gold effect, which is making it look more and creative and an amazing tone effect. This is a perfect tone for your Instagram feed. If you want a perfect and unique theme, then you can just use this kind of color tone to enhance your photo and just turn to a next level. So let's apply it on this. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is after. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really making your photo to look amazing. Let's again try it on this. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really an amazing and dope preset, guys. So guys, I will just give you the same preset in the form of for your desktop Lightroom also, and also for your Photoshop also. So you can just download. All the links are in the description, so you can just check it out and you can download for your PC as well as for your Photoshop also. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there we're gonna upload soon from there you can just download all the preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera preset, LUTs to color grade your videos and photos also, just for free. So guys, go and check it out, that website. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Also guys, we're gonna launch second website, that is filterpreset.com. so guys, stay tuned on that website also. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.